Hello, this is Deborah Smith-Torrence of Auspicious Wellness, and we are proud to announce we are newly government registered in procurement as an A8 firm. Auspicious Wellness is now debuting our latest product offering, liquid gel hand sanitizer, which contains 72% ethanol. We are also now offering PPE equipment, hand sanitizer, and of course, our full line of CBD products, which can be located on our website, www.auspiciouswellness.com. In these uncertain times, we need more to keep us safe, which is why we have formulated the Auspicious Wellness Hand Sanitizer. Our products are professionally formulated and manufactured in FDA-registered facilities and are GMP compliant. We are accepting wholesale orders and retail orders, which can be found on our website. If you're looking to place a wholesale order, please reach out to us directly at 833-287-7424, or you can reach out to us on our website through our contact page. Again, our website is www.auspiciouswellness.com. Stay safe, practice social distancing. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. And also, please, let me re-emphasize this. Please practice social distancing. Stay safe, keep your hands washed, and wear a mask in public. Thank you so very much. We can do this together.